Today I'm going to show you how to find longitude and latitude coordinates using Google Maps. So first let's find a place of interest. I'm going to use the Statue of Liberty. And so first what you want to do is just click on the map anywhere where you'd like to know the exact longitude and latitude. Let's just click right next to the Statue of Liberty here on the sidewalk. When I click that, you'll see a little symbol pops up. Down at the bottom will give you an address, and below that you'll get a longitude and latitude coordinates. If you copy those and paste them back in here to Google Maps in the search bar and hit enter, it'll take you right back to that same spot, ensuring that you have the right place. And then also you could copy these to have a formatted version of those coordinates. And that's it. Thanks for watching.